Nephew added again, cut the steak up. The refried beans. Loading it up, loading it up.
Gotcha.
Look at that, boy. That's that good steak. Slice nice. The slice is nice. See, always cleans his hand, this kid. Great cook. Look at the meat, boy. Ooh, get in this one more. That's what I'm talking about. With the tomatoes and the onions. Look at that, boy. It's coming together, people. It's coming together.
Didn't have the cotija cheese, but
That's okay, Jesus. There you go. Okay, okay. I see you, nephew. Oh, look at that. Eat your heart out, pimping. There you go. Nice.
sir.
Yes, sir. Another torta is made, huh? Another person is satisfied. Eat your heart out, pimping.